Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Anki is probably one of the most revolutionary and engaging ways to learn and retain information, transforming how students, professionals, and lifelong learners approach studying and memory. This powerful spaced repetition software utilizes scientifically proven methods to help you memorize anything from complex medical terminology to new languages or historical facts with remarkable efficiency. Imagine effortlessly recalling information weeks, months, or even years after you first learned it, all thanks to a smart system that adapts to your individual learning pace and forgetting curve. Anki isn't just another flashcard app, it's a sophisticated tool designed to optimize your brain's natural ability to remember, making learning feel less like a chore and more like an exciting journey of discovery. Number 5. Anki Overdrive Expansion Track Corner Kit. Take command of your own robotic supercars with Anki Overdrive. Use your mobile device to control the action on the track. Introduce more exciting twists and turns to your Anki Overdrive battlefield. This corner kit lets you expand your track layout with new angles. The possibilities for expansion are endless. Add more expansion tracks, new supercars, and even the all-new super trucks to enhance your racing experience. To get started with the excitement, an Anki Overdrive starter kit is required. You'll also need a compatible mobile device to control your vehicles. Discover the full potential of robotic racing. See below to learn more about all the ways you can expand and enjoy Anki Overdrive. What we like. This kit adds more twists and turns to your existing Anki Overdrive track. If you want to create more complex and challenging racecourses, this is the perfect expansion. It's ideal for players looking to increase the strategic depth of their races. What people say. The app has a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate and use. Anki's spaced repetition system is highly effective for memorization and long-term retention of information. The ability to customize flashcards with images, audio, and different formatting options enhances the learning experience. Number 4. Anki Overdrive Expansion Track Launch Kit. Take command of real robotic supercars with Anki Overdrive. Use your mobile device to control these incredible machines on the track. Introducing the Launch Kit, designed to add exciting new jumps to your Anki Overdrive battlefield. Elevate your racing experience with new aerial possibilities. Expand the battle and enhance your gameplay with additional expansion tracks. Collect more supercars and the all-new super trucks to dominate the competition. To begin your Anki Overdrive adventure, a starter kit and a compatible mobile device are necessary. These are essential for controlling your robotic race cars. Discover the full potential of Anki Overdrive and how you can further customize your racing world. Explore all the exciting possibilities available. What we like. Introduce thrilling jumps to your Anki Overdrive races with this expansion. If you enjoy high-octane action and want to add an element of aerial excitement, this kit is for you. It's perfect for those looking to make their races more dynamic and unpredictable. What people say. The jump is so much fun and it is so easy to assemble and add to his basic set. It hooks in so easily and it is so much to play with. Great fun toy that's a step up from the old plastic track with the trigger joystick. It can be played on your own or with 3 other people provided they all have the free app and a car to sync to. Watching the cars and trucks fly over the gap isn't terribly impressive until you think about how the car has to recognize which bit of track it's on, then speed up enough to make it cleanly over the jump. It's super entertaining to watch though. Number 3. Dream Pairs Women's Low Block Heels. Introducing the perfect blend of comfort and chic. These sandals are designed to elevate any outfit, whether it's a casual day out or a special evening event. Experience stability and style with the low block heel. It provides a comfortable lift, allowing you to walk with confidence all day long. The open-toe design adds a touch of sophistication, perfect for showcasing your pedicure. It's a classic look that never goes out of style. Featuring a secure ankle strap, these heels offer a snug and adjustable fit. You'll feel supported with every step you take. From parties to dressy occasions, these pumps are your go-to choice. They are designed to complement your favorite dresses and add a polished finish to your look. Crafted with attention to detail, these shoes embody quality and fashion. Make a statement with footwear that feels as good as it looks. What we like. These sandals offer a comfortable and stylish option for dressy occasions. If you're looking for a versatile shoe that provides a bit of height without sacrificing comfort, these are a great choice. They are perfect for parties or any event where you want to look polished. What people say. They are beautiful, made well, and I have wore them other times too with no issues. True to size, very versatile, super comfortable. The heel height is perfect for dress pants or dress. Number 2. Ankis Platform Heels. Introducing the Ankis Platform Heels, designed for the modern woman. Elevate your look with these stylish and comfortable sandals. Experience all-day comfort with the 4-inch chunky block heel. These sandals provide stability and support without compromising on style. Show off your pedicure with the chic open-toe design. Perfect for warmer weather and adding a touch of elegance to any outfit. Available in a range of versatile colors including nude, white, silver, gold, and black. Find the perfect pair to match your wardrobe. The stylish ankle straps not only add a fashionable detail but also ensure a secure and comfortable fit. Walk with confidence all day long. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or adding flair to your everyday look, these heels are your go-to choice. Discover the perfect blend of fashion and comfort. What we like. These heels provide a fashionable lift with their chunky platform and 4-inch heel. If you love making a statement with your footwear and want a comfortable yet elevated look, consider these. They are ideal for those who want to add height and style to their outfits for nights out or special events. What people say. The ankle strap gives the right support in the right place, as does the back of the shoe. No heel digging, no blisters. These fit true to size. I did not have any weird toe hangover on the front. The bottoms were not slippery, not even the first time, so put them on. These shoes are true to size, comfortable, neutral, and go with every outfit, easy to walk in too. Number 1. Anki Overdrive Expansion Track Collision Kit. Introducing the Anki Overdrive Expansion Track Collision Kit. This accessory unlocks incredible new track configurations for your racing experience. Please note that the Anki Overdrive Starter Kit is required to use this expansion. Ensure you have the base set to begin. This kit comes with one essential intersection piece. It's the key to creating more dynamic and challenging layouts. With this addition, you can explore amazing new track possibilities. Design layouts you've only dreamed of before. The collision kit introduces deadly intersections to your track. Prepare for intense head-to-head racing action like never before. What we like. This kit introduces deadly intersections to your Anki Overdrive track, opening up new strategic possibilities. If you enjoy head-to-head battles and want to create intense, close-quarters racing scenarios, this is the expansion for you. It's perfect for players who want to add a competitive edge and unpredictable encounters to their races. What people say. The product is well designed and has a good user interface. The product is easy to use and has a lot of features. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.